Elan Web CRM codes are set up by clicking on the CRM icon on the main menu in Elan. Name removal reason codes. If a sales rep removes an individual from the database, they will be required to supply a reason why the individual is being removed. This will be noted against the history of the individual and may provide valuable information to other sales reps so that they know if they should continue to keep a name in their database or possibly remove it as well. The setup is pretty straightforward. The reason needs a code and a description. The sort order allows you to prioritize the name in the list of reason codes. The lower the number, the higher up the code will appear in the list of reasons. The higher the number, the further down the code will appear in the list of reasons. There are 3 additional checkboxes which may or may not be checked depending on the reason for the removal. If a rep is simply removing a name from their list of contacts, you probably wouldn't check any of these other boxes. If the rep perhaps knows that this person has completely left the organization and has chosen to remove them from the entire database, you may check the box that says Remove Contact from Other Reps' Databases. The name will still exist within the software. The name can still be used from any part of the software, such as accounting, production, and even from CRM. But the name will be placed on a back screen, not on the front screen where each rep sees their own contacts. You may or may not choose to suspend any complimentary subscriptions. If the name is removed and that person is on any comp list, checking this box will zero out the remaining issues for complimentary subscriptions for this name. If the name is to be removed from the entire database so that it can no longer be used by CRM, by accounting, by production, by any part of the software, you may choose to set the name as Do Not Use by checking the Set the Contact as Do Not Use checkbox. If this checkbox is set, the name will be removed from the entire database and cannot be used anywhere in the database. In that case, you will need to add a unified database Do Not Use reason code. These are codes that are created under the Setup menu in Elan and apply to names across the entire database, not just to the CRM section. Enter the appropriate information, click on Save, and the contact removal code will be created. The Crm Group Security allows you to designate for each group of users what codes they may access. One of the codes on the 3rd tab of Group Security, Allowed Codes, are these name removal reason codes. Select a valid code, and you will see the description, the remove, and the Do Not Use flags will display on the screen. Save the group, and this code is now accessible for this group of people within CRM.